How to fix Instagram features you cannot use in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and search here Instagram. Now click on Instagram. Now here you can check your Instagram update. If your Instagram have any update, then update your Instagram. After update your Instagram, then go back to your home screen and open your Instagram and then click on your account. Now on top right corner you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on help. Now click on account status and then here you can see features you cannot use. Now click on it. Now here you can use all Instagram features right now. After that, go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Instagram. Now here you can offload your Instagram app and reinstall it. After you install your Instagram app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.